welcome to my channel. Today I'm actually going to be doing an unboxing. Please excuse the light. I've moved rooms and haven't quite worked out the light situation yet, but it'll get better, I promise. Okay, so for Christmas my daughter bought me something which turned up yesterday. So I just wanted to show it to you because I'm hoping this will make making resin things an awful lot easier. Excuse the paper rattling. Okay. Exciting. So I have already opened this, but it comes with a silicone mat. I will cut the bit out where I open it so that you don't hear the crackle. And as if by magic, here's the silicone mat. I think it goes that way on there, which will be great. And what she got me was a leveling table. And I don't know if you can see this, but I would say, considering it was done by hand and eye, that my table is actually pretty level. I now need to work out which bit I need to change to get it more level. I think it now is level. I think the issue is that where it doesn't look quite level is the angle that I'm doing the camera from. Because if I see, I'm happy with that. So I would just like to say thank you very much to my daughter for this wonderful present, and thank you for being with me while I actually put it together. And then, whoops, here is the silicone mat that goes on it. Already got fluff on it. I have to take that off. And I just thought I would show you some of the other happy mail that my daughter got me for Christmas. This was supposed to be a video that I did at Christmas. Obviously you know that I took a little bit of time off. I will fix the silicone mat. I will not be able to work with it like this, but you don't want to see me do that on this video. Okay, that's horrific, but we will cope. We will cope. Okay, so to some of the other things that my daughter got me. Right, okay. She got me these. Now, not the stickers in there or the tattoos in here, but these actual holders. And I wanted to show you because it has made such a difference, because now I can see the majority of the stickers and tattoos that I have. Now, to be fair, these are in several deep, and I've tried to put like with like when I've put more than one in here. But either way, it's so much better than it was. These stickers came, they were not what I was expecting at all, but that's fine. And then these are part of the fairy series of flowers that you saw me use in one of my previous videos. Again, I've doubled up because a lot of these fairies, there are like 3 or 4 of them. So I just put them all together and put them in here so I can see which ones I have. And you know, if you want a tip for how to be able to find all of your tattoos, this is it. So thank you for that. She got them off Temu. They weren't that expensive from what she told me. Now, you may have seen my Gronk coaster video with the love hearts. So these were one of the sets that she got me off of Temu. So the majority of this is from Temu. But I mean, just look at those. Aren't they absolutely gorgeous? These are the ones I have left. So there's probably going to be some more Gronk love videos coming out. Not all one after the other, I promise. She also got me these amazing tattoos. I am not going to be able to, well, I haven't worked out how to use these yet, but they are awesome. So she asked me what sort of UV DTFs I wanted, and I said, oh, you know, different themed ones. So that was why the Gronks with love. And then she's got me some autumn ones well in advance for autumn. And these ones, can you see? I don't know if you can see, but it's got I'll try and do it on here and then zoom in, but it's actually got the edging around here for it, which should make it a little bit easier, less that I have to cut out. And then, I mean, who doesn't like coffee? And more coffees, yay! So there's those ones. There were some more fall themed ones. I'm not going to show every single one, but again, I mean, these are just beautiful, like campgrounds in autumn. And then, I don't know why she got these. I can't imagine why she thought I would absolutely adore some dragon ones. Those are coming very soon. Absolutely adore dragons, and the colours on these are amazing. And I can't pick them up. And then, just because, I mean, we had some love gonks, so we have to have some, I see these as Eastery. It's so pretty. I mean, I love these. I absolutely adore these. And then taking a sharp detour in themes, she got me these, and I absolutely adore them. Now, you would have, she got me the unicorn ones as well, and you would have seen those in a previous video that I did with the UV resin, which are awesome. But oh my goodness, look at these tarot cards. They are just phenomenal. I'm not quite sure where I'll use that one. Maybe have to do it in a tray, but oh, just beautiful. This is some more that I just, I don't want to show them too much because they are just, those are definitely going to be used very soon. And then some more of the tarot cards. And these are like watercolor ones, and she got these because basically the majority of my tattoos are watercolor tattoos. So again, those will be coming soon. And some little ones like this. And look, some bees with gonks. Aren't they beautiful? And this one. She also got me some like little flowers. That is all of the UV DTF stickers. And then on top of those, because that obviously wasn't enough, so basically my daughter spoiled me for Christmas and she got me a lot of things and I wanted to kind of show them. So here we go. Beautiful moth mould, absolutely gorgeous. And then this is kind of stamps or inlays. I think it's more stamps, but it's butterflies and mushrooms and flowers. It's absolutely gorgeous. And then this one is a flower fairy. Can you see the detail on that? That's going to be so much fun to do. And then my articulated skeleton, I think I've seen, is it Sally at All Aboard Resin Creations with this? I am so looking forward to using this. You may have seen my other skull skull molds that I have, but that is just beautiful. Now then, she also got me this mold, which is actually a book. I think I'm going to make a few of these with those UV DTF stickers on them. So I'm not going to take this one out of the packet, but she got me the acorn. I've seen so many people do this and I am so looking forward to trying that. This one is really hard to see and she had to explain to me what it is because I haven't used it yet. But this is mushrooms, apparently. They're like little like sets and stalks of mushrooms. So I'm going to do this one pretty soon because I need it for one of my makes that I'm doing. So you'll see this one pretty soon. And then you may notice a theme, but look at that. Look at the different mushrooms. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different mushroom heads. There's the different stalks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They obviously, you're going to need to do 2 of these for each one and then stick them together. And then you have the gills underneath that you can plop on so that the underside looks right as well, which is just phenomenal. I absolutely love this. I'm going to be trying this soon as well because I can't wait to see how they come out. She got me a dragonfly with flowers. I'm not quite sure what bird that is, but again, I'm going to try that. I'm probably going to try this with clay first, just so that I can see what it looks like. But anyway, yeah, so there's that one. Some flowers. I'm not sure if these are like daisies or rudbeckia, or no, they're not rudbeckia because rudbeckia is a bush. But anyway, some very pretty flowers. I'll have to work out which ones they actually are. And then she also got me these 2 moulds. Now, these are beautiful, and I think it was Cobnuts and Tuppence that I saw use these. And she put them, like she did pressings with, I think it was clay, it may have been polymer clay. I'm not quite sure which clay it was that she used. But she made pressings and then she put them around the side of a box, which was stunning. Yeah, so there's these as well. So anyway, Cobnuts and Tuppence, I took inspiration from you. My daughter didn't see this, she just got me these and I was thinking, oh, I wish I had those, and lo and behold, there they are. It's absolutely amazing. Hi, so the next set of things that my daughter bought me for Christmas is this set of polystyrene and these polystyrene balls. She basically seen me do some of the dioramas and she got me these so that I could sculpt things better, or, you know, like make bigger dioramas. I'm not quite there yet to do these with confidence, but I'm going to have a think and I'm sure I will end up doing something. I kind of maybe like the idea of using one of these to make a flower ball, but I have to think that through. So you will also be shocked to see, considering some of the other stuff that she bought me, that she got me these little wooden mushrooms. Also, these are one of the, oh, not quite what I expected things that she got me. They are so cute. They're tiny little beads that are iridescent. In the picture, she thought they were maybe 3 times the size they are. So the idea that we had when we were talking about different things that she could get me, these won't work for, but yeah, not quite. And then she got me these as well. And if I remember correctly, she said these are glow in the dark. And then for some unknown reason, she got me these little kitties, these little tigers. I'm not quite sure what I will use those for, but at some point I will think of something. And that's the main thing about crafting, isn't it? Taking what you have and going, what on earth can I make with these? So on that note, my sister, getting into the groove of what can I get that will, you know, for my sister who likes to make stuff, she got me this kit. So this is going to be one of my videos. I've never done this. It looks awesome, and I'm going to have fun. So yeah, look forward to that video coming up. I forgot to say about these that she got me as well. Now I'm not going to take them all out because one of them leaked, but these are, as you can see on my finger, hopefully, they're the Aurora powders, and there's 6 of them in different shades, and I absolutely love Aurora powders. So thank you, Tasha. Absolutely amazing presents, and thank you so much. I'd like to say thank you very much again for watching my video. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell to be notified of any more videos coming out. I'm hoping to deliver videos every Monday at 5 p.m. Central Eastern Time. Thank you and goodbye.